Hey, it's Mr. Peace. This is an amazing way to keep the spark going at your school after one of my programs. A school that I spoke at recently, they did a school-wide kindness pledge and a commitment to kindness through a giant peace sign. But they did it with tracing all of their hands and writing the M on there for the miracle, which upside down is for worthy, the M's for miracle. But with the lines of our hand on each of our palms, we have the letter M etched on there, for knowing that we're all unique, we're all special, that we're all true miracles, right? All beautiful inside and out, and have to appreciate that in everyone. They took it a step further. They even put a heart on some of these hands too, to talk about how we look at the heart first, and even how my shirt says, one race human, we see people as human beings before anything else too. Now some schools, you guys can choose to keep out one of the lines of the peace sign, because you see the peace sign with the back of my shirt. The back of my shirt has the line down the middle as the standard peace sign, but some schools choose to keep it out just because it's really getting the message through that peace starts with us and that it's not complete without us showing that love and kindness and compassion, right? But other schools, they like to have me sign it for them, so I'm going to do this live for all you guys back home there. And they write their school name as the last line of this peace sign. So for example, here I'm in Whitmore Lake right now, and that's a school here in Michigan where I'm from, and right down the middle I'm writing their school name so they can remember that the unity, the empathy, the respect starts here right in their school. They also usually have me sign their peace sign banner with my standard signature, Mr. Peace.
There you go.
And show them the love and the heart, which is really what we try to push in all the presentations that I provide, to hit them at the heart level and to show people that they're worth everything. So really consider bringing this idea, this concept to your school or organization, especially after I come and speak, because it's such an awesome way to keep that momentum alive. Thanks. Peace.